All right, page 19, and I lost my pen. Oh, here it is. Okay. Michael has an eye on a sweater from American Eagle that was priced at $55. This week, the sweater is 40% off. What is the sales price of the sweater? Well, Michael is going to have to pay 100% of the price, but it's 40% off. So you're going to do 100% of the price and take away 40%. So Michael only has to pay 60% of the price. So Michael has to pay 60% of $55. 0.6 times 55. All right. The sweater is now going to be $33. Okay. Now we're going to find discount, then tax. Sometimes the price is discounted, but you also have to pay tax. Discount means the price is going to go down, but then tax means the price is going to go back up a little bit. So let us see. A boogie board has a regular price of $68 and it's on sale for a 35% discount. So I was going to have to pay 100% of this, but it's 35% off. What is the sales price with a 7% tax? Round to the nearest cent if necessary. This is a two-step problem. So first you have to find the sales price. Then you have to take the sales price to the register and find the sales tax. So let's start with the sales price. I was going to have to pay 100% of the price, but it is 35% off. So I only need to pay 65% of the price. So I only need to pay 65% of $68. 0.65 times 68. So that means that the sales price is $44.20. Now, bring this sales price down to the register. Sales tax means the price is going to go up a little bit. So sales tax is 7%. I'm going to have to pay 100% of the sales price and 7% extra for tax, which means I'm now paying 107% of the sales price, which is 1.07 times 44.20. 1.07 times 44.20 is 47.294. Now we have to make this into money. Money only goes 2 digits behind the decimal. So would this be $47.29, or should I round it up to 30 cents? Well, the next number over is a 4 below. If it was 5 or above, I would move this up to 30, but it's 4 below, so I'm going to keep it $47.29. All right, next one. A fidget spinner has a regular price of $15.50 and it's on sale at a 25% discount. What is the sale price with a 6.5% tax? Round to the nearest cent when necessary. Okay, so I'm going to start by finding my discount. And then after I find the discounted price, I'm going to take it over here and I'm going to calculate the tax. So first let's start with the discount. I was going to have to pay 100% of this price, but good news, it's 25% off. So I was going to have to pay 100%, but it's 25% off, so I only need to pay 75%. So that's 0.75 times $15.50. 0.7 times 15.50. 11.265. Okay, 11.265. Now, do not round. Oh, sorry, I totally wrote this wrong. No, you're all going to have to be erasing right now. There's a point in the video where Miss Wall makes a mistake. 625. There we go. Okay. Now, do not round this at this step. A lot of you guys might want to say, isn't this $11.63? Don't round it yet. We can't round until we get to the last step of the problem. So you're going to bring this whole thing over and you're going to find tax of that number. So what's the tax if it's 6.5%? So I'm going to have to pay 100% of this price and 6.5% extra, which is 106.5%. 106.5% as a decimal means I have to move over the decimal twice. So that's 1.065 times my sales price, $11.625. All right, so 1.065 times 11.625. So I'm going to get this number, 12.380625. Your calculator didn't cut this off. That's why I wrote down all the digits. Now, numbers that are money go 2 digits after the decimal. Should I keep this $12.38 or should I make it $12.39? Well, since this next number over is a 0, I'm going to make this $12.38. Okay, next one. A bag of Halloween candy costs $5.20. Tyler has a 5% off coupon. What is the sales price with a 4% tax? Round to the nearest cent when necessary. So first over here, I'm going to find the discount. And over here, I'm going to calculate the tax. So if it's 5% off, that means I'm going to start with 100%, but it's 5% off. So I only have to pay 95%. So I'm going to do 0.95 times $5.20. 0.95 times $5.20. And I get $4.94. So that discount price is $4.94. Now let's bring that discount price over here and let's calculate tax. So tax means I have to pay 100% of this price and 4% extra. So I have to pay 104%. Move the decimal over twice. 1.04 times 4.94. 1.04 times 4.94 is 5.1376. Now, money goes 2 digits behind the decimal. Should I keep this as $5.13 or should I round it up to $5.14? The next number over is 5 or above, so you should give this a shot, and it's going to be $5.14. Okay, this next one is going to show up on a test or a quiz. I don't know about you, but I always would write quiz or test if a teacher told me that, so that I knew to go back and review this problem. A pair of winter gloves are $45. Ryan has a coupon and receives a 5% discount off the price. Sales tax of 5% was applied after the discount. What is the final price of the winter gloves? So wait a minute, the gloves are $45. They're going down 5%, then they're going back up 5%. Do you think the price is going to be $45 again after the discount, but then with tax? Let's see. So first, let's find the discount. So if it's 5% off, that means I was going to pay 100%, but it's 5% off, so I only have to pay 95%. So I'm going to find 95% of $45. 0.95 times $45 is $42.75. So that's $42.75. All right, I'm going to take this number and I'm going to apply tax, which means I need 100% of that number and 5% tax. So now I need 105% of this sales price of $42.75. 1.05 times $42.75. Oops. 1.05 times $42.75 is 44.8875. All right. Should I keep it 88 or should I make it 89? Well, if the next number over is a 7, that means I have to give this a shove to 89 cents. So here's my question, guys. Did the price stay the same if I went down 5%, then back up 5%? No. And that's because I went down 5% of this number, but I went up 5% of this number. And I wasn't able to make it all the way back up to $45. Okay, next page.